Hello friends, in this lecture we shall discuss special non-resident rupee accounts. Special non-resident rupee accounts. First of all, who can open such accounts in India? SNRR. This type of account can be opened by a person who is a resident outside India. Those persons which are residents in India, they cannot open this account. This account can be opened by those persons who are residents outside India. And second condition is they have a business interest in India. So for their business transactions, they can open an account with authorized dealer, that is with a bank. Another important thing, this account is for the purpose of putting through bona fide transactions in rupees, and these transactions must be according to provisions of Foreign Exchange Management Act, the rules and regulations made under FEMA. So any person who is a resident outside India but he is doing business in India and he needs a rupee account, so he can open SNRR account. What are the features of this account? The first feature is this account carries nomenclature for business for which it is opened. The name of the business, that will also be name of this account. Second, if account is to be opened by a resident of Pakistan or Bangladesh, then he has to have Reserve Bank of India's prior approval. And third, this account will be opened as a current account and no interest will be paid on this. Balance in this account cannot be transferred to NRO account. The fourth feature, what type of debit or credit will be permitted to this account? Debits or credit which are incidental to or commensurate with business operations of that person. So the size of business operations and the amount to be debited to this account or credited to be this account, it should be commensurate. The time period for which this account can be opened, the tenure to be concurrent with the tenure of the contract. Contract here means the business he is doing. So the period of that account should be according to the period of contract of that business. And maximum this period can be 7 years. And no operations to be permitted in this account after 7 years. The next feature, operations not to result in making available foreign exchange to any person resident in India. So the purpose of this account and operations in this account should not be to make available foreign exchange to a person resident in India. So these transactions should be bona fide transactions. Balance can be repatriated outside India. So after this business is concluded, whatever balance remains in the account, that can be remitted outside India. That can be sent outside India. But by that time, if account holder becomes a resident, then that account will be a normal rupee account. So if the person remains a resident outside India even after conclusion of the business, the balance can be transferred outside India. But if he becomes resident in India, in that case, the account shall be designated as a rupee account. The next feature is all transactions in this account. These are subject to payment of applicable taxes in India. On business transactions in India, tax is required to be paid, and the transaction this an account will be subject to making payment of taxes in India. And last one is amount due or payable to non-resident nominee from the account of a deceased account holder will be credited to NRO account of the nominee. So if nominee in this account is a non-resident and account holder expires, then the balance in this account shall be credited to NRO account of the nominee. So these are the features of this account. I'm just summarizing. SNRR account can be opened by a resident outside India who wants to do business in India. And these are the features of this account. Well, friends, I'm sure the contents of this video will benefit you. Thank you for watching the video.